Are you tired of the daily grind in a cubicle, longing for the freedom to work on your own terms? Do you dream of escaping the 9-to-5 routine and embracing a more flexible lifestyle? If so, then this article is for you. We will explore how you can monetize your skills and thrive as a remote freelancer, allowing you to break free from the constraints of traditional employment. Identify your skills and passion. The first step towards becoming a successful remote freelancer is identifying your unique skills and passion. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Take some time to reflect on these questions and make a list of your strengths. Whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or social media management, there's always demand for various skills in the freelance market. Research market demand. Once you have identified your skills, it's crucial to research market demand for those particular services. Look into online job boards, freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and industry-specific websites to gauge what clients are looking for. This research will give you insights into which areas offer the most opportunities for freelancers. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for any freelancer looking to attract clients from around the world. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your work samples and testimonials from satisfied clients if available. Additionally, consider leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter to connect with potential clients in your industry niche. Building an online presence establishes credibility and makes it easier for clients to find and hire you. Network effectively. Networking plays a vital role in expanding your client base as a remote freelancer. Attend industry conferences or virtual events related to your field where potential clients may be present. Furthermore, join relevant professional groups on platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook to connect with other freelancers and potential clients. Engaging in conversations, sharing your expertise, and offering help will help you build valuable relationships that can lead to future freelance opportunities. Hone your marketing skills. To succeed as a remote freelancer, it's crucial to develop marketing skills that allow you to effectively promote your services. Learn the basics of copywriting, understand how to craft compelling proposals, and master the art of selling yourself. Invest time in creating a strong personal brand that resonates with your target audience. Showcase your expertise through blog posts or guest articles on industry websites to establish yourself as an authority in your field. Set competitive rates. Determining appropriate rates for your freelance services can be challenging but crucial for success. Research what other freelancers charge for similar services and consider factors such as experience level, complexity of projects, and market demand. Remember not to undervalue yourself. Setting competitive rates ensures you earn a fair income while remaining attractive to potential clients. Deliver exceptional work. Once you land freelance projects, it's essential always to deliver exceptional work that exceeds client expectations. Word-of-mouth referrals are one of the most powerful ways freelancers secure new business opportunities. By consistently delivering high-quality work on time and within budget, you'll build a reputation as a reliable freelancer who goes above and beyond for their clients. Embrace continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving, especially in industries driven by technology or creative innovation. As a remote freelancer looking to thrive long-term, it's essential always to embrace continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends through online courses or webinars relevant to your field. Expand your skill set whenever possible. This will not only make you more marketable but also open doors for higher-paying projects down the line. In conclusion, transitioning from cubicle life into the freedom of being a remote freelancer may seem daunting, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be a rewarding journey. By identifying your skills, researching market demand, building an online presence, networking effectively, honing your marketing skills, setting competitive rates, delivering exceptional work consistently, and embracing continuous learning, you can monetize your skills and thrive as a remote freelancer. Remember that this transition takes time and effort. It may not happen overnight. However, with perseverance and dedication to improving your craft while adapting to the ever-changing freelance landscape, success is within reach. So take the leap into freedom today.